Welcome to this technical guide on the Conga 3090. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Conga 3090 can hold a charge, you're not alone. This issue is common and often arises from battery degradation over time. If not addressed, it can lead to your device becoming completely unusable, leaving you unable to clean your home effectively. To resolve this, we'll need a few tools and materials: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, a new battery compatible with the Conga 3090, and some tweezers. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws located at the base of the Conga 3090. Be sure to keep these screws safe, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic prying tool to separate the casing. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging the clips that hold the casing together. After opening the device, you'll see the battery compartment, which is usually located near the center. Look for the battery connected with a couple of wires and possibly secured with tape. Carefully disconnect the battery by pulling on the connector, being cautious not to tug on the wires themselves. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the old battery is removed, take your new battery and position it in the same spot. Secure it by reconnecting the wires and ensuring it sits snugly in place. After that, close the casing by aligning it correctly and pressing down until you hear it click into place. Finally, replace the screws you removed earlier to ensure everything is secured tightly. Test the device by charging it and checking if it holds the charge. To prevent this issue from occurring again, try to avoid letting the battery drain completely on a regular basis, and store your Conga 3090 in a cool, dry place when not in use. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.